today I have a practical example for you. In this case, it's about removing an object by particle dissolve and keeping the original background even when you don't have a green screen. I will be using the magic mask, which is only in the studio version of DaVinci, but this method is the same even when using another way of masking. There are 4 main steps you need to follow. First, we need to mask in the object and make it act as a particle emitter. I will show you how to set up the particles later. Let's see how this looks. As you can see, the particles are spawning, but it doesn't look as if they're dissolving the cube from one side to another. So let's add 2 ellipse masks. The first one should be inverted, following the object, and growing from 0 to whatever you need as long as it's bigger than the object itself. Copy and paste the mask to create the second one, this time not inverted. Change the border width to a number below 0 and give it a little bit of a soft edge. The 2 masks combined form a ring that grows and seemingly disappears. Let's see how this looks. Now let's work on the particles. Add a particle emitter, go to region and select bitmap. Now you'll be able to connect your magic mask node. Go to style and select blob and play with the size settings. Mine look like this. Go to controls and set the color to use color from region. This enables the particles to get the colors from the cube. Set the distribution to random. Add a little bit of velocity and set the angle to 90. This will make the particles go upwards. The lifespan is set at 50 and the number of particles is 600. It's a good idea to start with a lower number to see how your machine handles it. Add a particle render, and between the render and emitter you can add some turbulence and vortex. Here are my settings. Connect the magic mask and the render to a merge node where the render is connected to the green input, which is the foreground. Set the merge operator to over. Now we are ready to move to the next step. I suggest you turn off the particles since they're heavy on the system and we don't really need them till the end. Step 2 is about removing the object at the same time as the particles start spawning. Copy the magic mask and connect the media in. Copy and paste the first mask from step 1 and connect it. Untick the invert box. Add a merge node and connect the magic mask to the green input and the other merge node to the yellow. Set the operator to under. Step 3 is almost the same. Copy the magic mask again and connect it. This time it needs to be inverted. Copy and paste the ellipse mask from step 2 and connect it. Animate it in a way that covers the shadow of the object. Merge it with step 2 like this and set the operator to under. Step 4 deals with the background. Here I have a static shot of the video which is merged under everything and fills the transparency that's left from step 3. Now you can turn on your particle system, add a drop shadow node and put it after the render node for some realism. There is a better way to add shadows, but for now this looks fine. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I will put a link to the original video so you can experiment and have some fun.